brought in the warmth for us. It's going to be the same scenario as we get into the day tomorrow. But for now, we're still enjoying really mild temperatures. We're hanging out at 49 degrees currently around Fremont. We have brought in just a couple of clouds in Omaha, still sitting in the mid 40s. Red Oak sitting right at 45. Our winds still sustained in the teens to 20s. We have gusts into the 20s and 30s. And through the evening, we're gradually going to see them lighten up a little bit, but we are going to stay breezy through the night. That south wind sticking with us. Pretty slow cool down. We'll be in the mid 30s by the time 11 o'clock rolls around. From here, we're aiming for one warmer day, and tomorrow is going to be very mild. Highs in the 60s, but we have gusty south winds, a little bit windier compared to what we were dealing with out there today. You'll still want to get out and enjoy it though. By Thursday, big changes are moving in. We have rain to snow chances, even stronger winds, and that wind is going to drive in some very cold air. Chilly forecast, eventually a drop into the 20s. I'll time all of this out for you coming up in my full forecast. We enjoyed the sunshine and some warmer weather out there today. Tomorrow, going to be very similar, even warmer, but the wind is going to be back again. So you will want to factor that into your outdoor plans. As you're stepping outside 8 a.m., you'll notice a little bit more cloud cover around. That's not going to last all day. So mostly cloudy start, temperatures in the mid 30s at 8. But by the time 4 o'clock rolls around, we're starting to thin out the clouds. We're reaching for that high of 62. You will notice the wind. And by 7, a little less windy, still breezy and comfortable. Plenty of sunshine and temperatures still holding on to the low 60s. It'll be a warm one across the metro. 62 for Omaha and Council Bluffs along with Irvington. Ralston at 63 tomorrow. Papillion aiming for a high of 64 and Valley a high of 63. Elkhorn reaching for the low 60s. Everyone though dealing with those gusty south winds. So let's time that out on the hour by hour forecast here. 8 a.m. it's a breezy start, but not bad. We'll have gusts into the 20s. They're coming in from the south, carrying in that warmer air. And if you want to get out before we really start to feel those stronger gusts, try and get out by about midday. As we push to the mid-afternoon, our gusts are going to reach easily into the 30s. We could see some gusts as high as 40 miles per hour, a little lighter through our Wednesday evening, and then the wind is back again for Thursday, but it's taking a turn. You'll notice a shift to the north as we move to about 7 a.m. Thursday. Those strong north winds are coming in from the north, bringing in that cold air, gusts into the 20s at this point. And then as we move through the afternoon Thursday, our gusts pick up to the 30s and 40s, and that's going to carry in some intense cold for us through the day, bringing in falling temperatures as we roll into our Thursday afternoon. So by midnight Thursday, this is where we reach our highs. This is that leftover warmth from Wednesday. We'll still be in the 50s. Temperatures fall into Thursday morning. We're starting off in the mid 30s, comes along with rain chances as our next system moves in. And as that cold starts to spill in through the afternoon, we are going to shift over to a wintry mix and eventually snow. By midday, we have 20s out to the west for spots like Norfolk and Columbus, and that cold catches up to the metro through the late afternoon. Snow chances clear out right around that evening commute time frame, and it doesn't look like it's going to be a lot of snow for us. For the metro, should stay under an inch, but could see some higher totals that impact the roads for areas like Norfolk, Columbus, and Tacoma, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that. For everyone though, the cold is going to be a big concern, especially when you factor in gusts into the 40s. For our Thursday, 30s will be feeling more like the 20s and teens. Friday, a high of only 30 degrees, 24 on Saturday, and then we start to warm things back up. Monday, a return to the 40s, 50s here on Wednesday, and Thursday, still warm, but bringing in the potential for a few showers. Can stay on top of the forecast, but have to take advantage of the warmth while we have it, because Thursday, it's all kind of moving out.
Yeah, that totally makes sense.
You know, if our food drive was this Thursday, it would be a lousy day.
You know, hopefully a lot of canned food then.
Yeah,
right.
We got a great next Thursday, a week from Thursday, when we actually have the food drive. So that's good news, and we all have a chance to help